Swiss researchers have developed Raven, a fixed-wing drone with bird-inspired robotic legs enabling it to walk, jump, and take off like its biological counterparts. The drone, created by École Polytechnique, overcomes limitations of traditional fixed-wing drones, which require runways for takeoff. The design includes lightweight, two-segment legs with torsional springs in the ankle joint that improves jumping efficiency by 25%. Now, Raven can jump over gaps, navigate low ceilings, and scale obstacles, Drone XL has reported. While still in development, future enhancements will include sensory feedback and foldable wings, potentially transforming drone use in complex environments like disaster response and delivery.